Good morning, this is Amy, and I'm going to show you how to create a book blurb video trailer very fast, very simply without needing to know how to be a video editor or anything like that. It's from a software called Rocketium, Rocketium.com. They are a company that you can make buzz style videos, short videos, viral videos, and you'll be able to get this done pretty fast, pretty simply. So I'm choosing Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone as a it's one of the most famous children's book right now, ever. And by J.K. Rowling. This is not my book. I have nothing to do with it. I just figured I would pick a book that the majority of people know how to use, know what it is, and has read the book. So what I'm going to show you to do really fast, so that this doesn't take up a ton of your time, and you're able to market your book and have a video trailer. You don't have to go out there and hire someone, find a videographer, and go through the entire process of having to maybe spend $200-300. I mean, I know you can get people to do it for a lot less, but in essence, you can do this yourself. You have the power to do this yourself. So the first thing you do when you're going to make a video is you need a script. You don't want to just go in there and start putting videos and clips and words together. The way that this is going to be done the best is to have a script. So I went to jkrowling.com and found Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and I just copied the short blurb that they have for the book. And I put it in a text document. Here is where it starts right there. I found some other blurbs online, and I copied and pasted it up here. So this is our script in essence. In essence, what your video trailer is when you have a book is giving them, think of Hollywood. You know, they're going to give you the main points, and chances are your video trailer is going to be a little longer than this. It's going to give you more intrigue, or you're going to want to give your readers a little bit more intrigue about what's going on, but you don't want it to be too long, because people do not have a long attention span. They want it quick. They want to know if they're going to be interested in reading this, in reading your book based on what you're saying here. So I'm going to show, these are the different blurbs that I've seen and copied from my search online. Now I'm going to go to Rocketium. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but it's pretty simple. This is the dashboard you get when you log in. This deal that I have, which is awesome, I'm going to tell you afterwards what it entails. I have 30 videos remaining for the month, so I can make up to 30 videos every month. I haven't made any videos yet, so let's get started. The first thing you do is come up here and click Create Video. This is where you put your video together. So this is where we put our scripts in, and let me make this smaller so I can have an idea of what I'm writing here. So the first scene of your video, what are we going to do? All right, we're going to say Harry Potter is the most miserable, lonely boy you can imagine. Copy. I'm going to go to the Add Caption area and press Paste. Now here are some editing that you can do with the video. You can highlight a certain part. So Harry Potter is the most miserable, lonely boy. I'm going to highlight that. The most miserable, lonely boy. I'm going to highlight it. What else can I do? What is that? Make selection a heading. Make selection a paragraph. Italicize section. What else is here? Do you want it on the lower third? We'll get to that. Next, we want to choose our media. So there's a couple of ways to do it. You can click here and get saved copies of books or pictures and stuff that you might have downloaded. You can, you know, drop media here, like you can, hold on. I'm just gonna actually save. Boy, let's see. One of the great things about this is that you have a library of options that you don't even have to have the media. You have copyright-free media that you can just get. It's powered by Flickr, Pixels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks. So not only does it have images, but it has videos too, which is amazing. So we're going to search for a boy. Or how about a miserable boy? These are men. No. Okay, this isn't bad. This is where we go through and get our sad boy. This is not bad. This is too sad. Let's see. Do any of these work? I would do it, but everybody knows that Harry Potter is not blonde. Let's try that. Once again, this is not the official blurb for video trailer for Harry Potter. Okay, so we have our first slide up. Harry Potter is the most miserable, lonely boy you can imagine. You see where it's highlighted right here by choosing this button. To create the next slide, you just click the plus button here. You go to your script, highlight whatever you want to highlight, copy it, and choose your media. And that's the same thing you do for all the different slides, all the different sentences. I like to do it per sentence on your blurb or on your script. Really, like this one I did, I don't like that picture. So what you can do is you can come click it and delete it. Get another one. So I'm gonna search for birthday. Let's see. No, that's okay. Not bad. Okay, I like this one. Select it. And that's it. You can reorder the slides by if you want to say, oh, I'd rather this part be first. You can do that pretty easily. These are the pictures that I chose. In essence, you just click the picture, choose the keyword of the type of picture you're looking for, and that's it. It's really easy, really simple. Then you press continue to preview what the video will look like. You can choose themes on how the screen will look. So if you click there, nope, don't like that. Plain. You can see it on the video. Press apply. That's okay. Don't like that. Let's try this one. That's not bad. Okay, so we chose our theme, duo tune, red. I like the way it looked. Okay, now we get to choose the music. All right, they come with a lot of different music, or you can upload your own. Okay, so I found this one. Sounds pretty good. You can choose where you want your captions to go, whether you want them in the bottom, top right, left. Let's see, how does that look? Let's start from the beginning, see how that looks. For this one, probably here, let's see. All right, that looks good. And this is if you want a frame. Let's see, you can filter everything. Make sure all your slides have the filter. You can make the video faster or slower. And that's it. You press finish. Video takes about 2 minutes to render. Okay, our video is ready. So we just press play.